since I'm in town, look where I am, Dollar Tree. So I decided to go ahead and stop and see what they have. So let's go check it out. Here's a peek inside the first store I went to, but you'll want to see the next one. Okay, so I was able to go to Dollar Tree and found some really nifty things that I can't wait to show you, but they're on the floorboard in the back. Too much to do today, but I'm excited to tell you about meeting the new associate. Well, she's kind of new. I've met her before, but she was talking about Dollar Tree haulers, and I told her I was one, and I'm so excited because she may try to stop by, so I hope she does. Headed down to do a little more shopping today because I have to get groceries because we're kind of on the thin side, and I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully. Bye. So I decided to go to another Dollar Tree since I'm here, and if you didn't see my Instagram story, you can check out my Instagram, Cindy_A_Lewis. But just real quick, going to this Dollar Tree that's in Tulsa, and this one is already getting their branding up for Dollar Tree Plus. So go check it out, see what they got in there, and I'll be back to you on a video. Thanks, bye. So I just thought I'd show you a few of the items that were $5 or $3 that I didn't purchase at the store, but I went ahead and took a couple pictures so you could see some of the awesome items that Dollar Tree's starting to carry. Hey everybody, so here is the Dollar Tree haul I promised you in my Instagram live, and I think I put it on my YouTube story. Oh, not Instagram live, Instagram story. And I went to two stores. They both happen to be Dollar Tree Plus, but one of them didn't have the Plus items yet, which means the Dollar Tree is turning to Dollar Tree Plus, if you haven't already heard, and they're adding $3 and $5 items. And there's one of them back there, Think Positive. It's a really huge, beautiful sign, and I thought I would show it to you. I think K is for Karen hauled this sometime back, but again, we're in Oklahoma and we hadn't received those items yet. So welcome to my channel, Cindy A. Lewis here again. I hope that you enjoy this video, that you'll subscribe. That would be great. Become part of my YouTube family. Welcome back to all my YouTube family. This is the National Craft Month Day 6 video, and I'm super excited about this month. I'm celebrating all my subscribers, so check out the giveaway on the March 1st video. You can enter on that video, which is linked down below also, and let's get into the haul, right? So the sign back there, Think Positive, is one from the Dollar Tree Plus. It is 48 inches long or tall. They did have a Hello Summer. I didn't get the Hello Summer because not quite ready for that. But I loved this message, and I'm going to pass it along to a friend. And it is beautiful. It was $5. So I think it's worth the $5. And honestly, you know, at the Dollar Tree, even at $1.25, you can't get some of these things for that price anywhere else. So I think it's a good deal. Well, let me show you another $5 item that I did pick up. This is an 18-inch wall shelf. It is a Bella Villa Living, or Bella Villa. You can see the plus price tag on here. It was $5, and it is really pretty. They also had 3 of the smaller shelves, and then they had different colors. I really like the white for my decor, and I'll let you see, there's a little lip on here to keep your items from just sliding off. Pretty cool. So I can't wait to put this up or have my husband do it for me. Sometimes he likes to do that kind of thing, but it is really pretty. It's not really wood. Did I say wood? Wall shelf. It feels plastic, but it looks really, really pretty. All right. Now, not everything is Dollar Tree Plus items, they still have their $1.25 items, and I found these two new solar little sidewalk lights, and they have the cutest little butterflies in them. They had different colors, and I can't wait to charge them and put them out. It's just solar stake light, and I just got two of them. I'll put them in my little gnome area. I think that would be cute. Then I get tissues at Dollar Tree. These are the puffs. Puffs are my favorite. I just have to say. Who likes puffs tissues? I love puffs. They're my favorite. I do use others, and you'll see. I do use Kleenex and Scotties, but I'll get, usually I'll get puffs if I can. Another thing, they had a whole end cap. LA Colors lips and other makeup. I did pick up a couple of lip gloss and a roll-on just because I needed some. I usually put some in my purse and that kind of thing, so I like to pick that up. And then for our kids' church, I always pick up these little drink, I don't know, their flavors, the root beer and the Skittles Tropical Punch. And they like to put something in their water sometimes. And then I always pick up these basket bags. You get two. And I do a lot of gift baskets for folks. And these are great. So pick those up. So let's just move on. I did pick up some fun things for the kids' treasure chest at church, and so I'll show you some of those. They have the bug catcher. They had 3 different kits. I think I got 2, and I thought this was really, really cute and be ready for outdoor fun. And then they have these Play-Doh with, I guess it's Play-Doh, is it kitty dough, with the different characters, molds. So let me show you what they had. So here's the 5 that I picked up. And they have Olaf. So it gives you the little, the little mold to put your Play-Doh or softy dough or kitty dough in. And then you can make that shape. And then the baby shark. So really cute. And the Blue's Clues puppy. Isn't that cute? And then, of course, the Mandalorian, the child, Grogu. I think that's how you say it. I'm going to give that to somebody that really likes that. And then I got Elsa. Isn't that cute? So anyway, these are real cute. I know the kids will love them. And if you haven't seen them, look for them. They'd be great for your Easter baskets too. Now, Dollar Tree Plus did have some items that are interesting. They had a Dallas Cowboy pillow, and they had a Texas pillow. And my husband is a big, huge University of Texas fan. Coming from Texas, moving to Oklahoma, hasn't been an easy road, but he's still a devout fan for Texas athletics. So I did pick him that up. He doesn't even know yet. So I'm going to take that to him after this. And then I finally found the bunny wire wreath form. And I haven't been able to find it ever. So this will be fun to put together. Maybe National Craft Month. What do you think? That would be a fun one. All right. So I did get a couple more boxes of tissues. And then they had these fun things that you could use for your Easter baskets as well. They call them pen art. And so, whatever shape you put, like my fingers, you can see my fingers in there. And like if I put thumbs up, you can see my thumb. I guess you can. Anyway, it's really kind of fun. And they had red and blue. So I got a couple of those. I thought they would be fun to play with. And then, let's see. I got another bag right here. Has anybody been to Dollar Tree since they've changed over? So here's my other. I buy tissues for my son too, so I do that. All right, Easter basket buddies. Now, I thought this was super cute. So you can buy these already cut felt pieces, and create your own basket decor. Now, I could think of other things to utilize these already cut out and created pieces, even make the pattern from them, and then you have the pattern all the time. So anyway, did pick that up. They have these cute little tubs, and it is a Easter truck with the eggs, and you get two. Notice you get two pieces. And these are really cute. Wouldn't they be cute with jelly beans and malted milk eggs in there? Yeah, they would. Then they had the Easter egg pops, lollipops, and the kids will love these, so got those. And then, of course, they finally had Temptations. So I picked up some Temptations for the kiddies for $1.25. That's a great deal. So those will go downstairs to my little kitties. Now, one thing I try to remind everyone of is the 25% more free when you need to buy your noodles or rotini or your elbow macaronis. This is a great deal when you can get 20 ounces for $1.25. And it's 25% more. So I pick those up when I see them. I always look for that at Dollar Tree because they do offer that. And there's Leo. And then I picked up this fun game for one of the kids' prizes. I think they'll love that. They had two colors. And then let's move on. The golden eggs. Now, who watched Willy Wonka? I mean, the golden eggs were everything, and the golden ticket. So I picked up some golden eggs. I'm sure I'll do something fun with those. They also had, Leo says hello. They also had the Jet Puffed Marshmallow Cream. And I was looking for this the other day because I wanted to make a fruit dip. Does anybody ever do that? Cream cheese, one bar of cream cheese, and a jar of this marshmallow cream. Anyway, I take a jar of this and a bar of the cream cheese and mix it together really good, and it makes a wonderful fruit dip. Anybody else do that? Okay, now they have these fun little candy dispensers or bubblegum dispensers. Of course, it has to be kind of small because the mouth is a little bit small, but it's super cute. You just you know, turn it. You can see it turning on the inside. And it's so cute. And this one is an Easter egg. And this one is a bunny. How cute is that? Easter baskets going in Easter. And yes, I do Easter baskets for my grown son and my husband still. And I always will. All right. I always look in the stationery office section. I always find the funnest things, and I love sticky notes. So this is a little alpaca, and you open it up and it has all kinds of fun inside, and it's all themed towards the alpaca. And this is a really fun, inexpensive little thing to put in, you know, a gift basket. So I did pick that up. I try to look for those when I can find them, and then I have them when I'm ready to put my basket together. I did find another one. Let's see, and which bag it's in, but I'll show you. So this is the other bug catcher that I picked up for the kids. I think that's super cute. And then I picked up a bunny book. Anyway, so here is a fun bunny ball game. And we're going to play this on Easter with our kids. And then I got some fun tablecloths. You have to get them when you find them, just saying. And then I got some treat bags. So they do have a bunch, and those have 20 in them each. So it'll be fun. All right. Actually, I have two more. This one, of course, is the outdoor toys with the golf. That'll be fun too. Then I did pick up some Double Bubble. Does anybody ever let your kids have that? Well, it's fun every once in a while. Not all the time, but you know. Here's the other little notebook that I found. It's like a stationery set with some little notepads and some I think these are going to be your sticky notes, but it could just be notepads. I didn't open it. And it has a little pen inside. Right there. I guess it's a pen. Looks like a pen. All right. Then I did pick up 2 sets of stickers. These are the pearl ones. I was looking for some pearl the other day, so I picked those up, and then these fun gold ones. So I know that a lot of you look for stickers, so I wanted to show you those. And then I did pick up 1 more set of eyeshadow and some combs for the house. And then lastly, let me lean back here and grab this other one. I picked up some flowers, and I haven't bought flowers in a really long time, but I wanted to show you what I picked up because they have some really pretty ones and some pansies. And I think I'm just gonna have to make a little pansy arrangement. But they had different color pansies, and you get a lot on a stem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they had the purple, the yellow and blue. Here's another purple and pink. And let's see, here's another blue and yellow, and then a pink and purple. And then I did pick up these. These are called cherry blossoms. And I wanted some little tiny flowers, and these are so pretty. But I didn't want plastic leaves, so I like these kind of silk leaves, you know. So flowers of leaves. And then they had these beautiful lilacs that are blue. And if you saw last year's video where I put together a really cute lilac flower arrangement, I'm about to pull that out again. And that would be really fun to make with one of those tins from Dollar Tree. And then these are real pretty. They're just called a dripping blossom. And I have some ideas for these as well. So I hope that I get to all of that. But that is my haul. I don't know what your favorite could be, but I have a lot of fun things in this haul, especially that sign back there, which is gorgeous and a good message too. So whatever your favorite is, let me know. And I don't know for myself. I think probably this is a fun one. I really like that. I love these butterfly solar lights. I can't wait to get those out, but it's raining today, so it won't be today. And then, of course, the stationery sets, those are so fun. And then I always love to save money, so, you know. But anyway, have a great day. Don't forget to go and enter on the March 1st video for the giveaway. It is March 1st, and it's linked below in the description. So just click the arrow so you can see all the description below. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching.